What's up, you guys? Sterling Torres coming at you with another tutorial. This one's gonna be a lot simpler than the last one. The last time I gave you a really in-depth double cowtail tutorial. This one's gonna be a simple move called the hook spin. Just figured that name out. I guess I'm just gonna call it a T-spin, right? A T-spin, a heel spin, toe spin, ball spin, a hook spin. Okay, yeah. So let's get started. So it's a really cool move, something that's simple, but it's also more advanced in terms of coordination. So we're gonna just start off with first getting comfortable with doing this single spin. So with your left, it's counterclockwise, and with your right, it's clockwise. So first thing you just wanna get comfortable with is doing a simple spin on the balls of your feet with your heel up, right? So just practice this. And then whenever you're ready, try to do that spin by grabbing your right foot and hooking up behind the back heel of your left. Use momentum. Again. Boom. Okay? And then when you're ready, you'll do something like a running man, which is a lot more simpler because you'll have a little bit of momentum. Just start with 3 running man, and on 4, you're going to step on the balls of your feet and spin. Counterclockwise. Also, just make sure that when you are spinning that you are spotting. You have a focal point of when you're spinning, so that way you end up in the same direction, and make sure that you're turning your shoulders. So when I'm doing my running man, I always look and end up in the same direction. So we go 1, 2, 3, step, spin, 1, 2, 3, step, spin, 1, 2, 3, step, spin, 1, 2, 3. So make sure you're practicing getting comfortable with that spin in general on the balls of your feet, then adding in the hooking behind the heel, and then adding it with your running man. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll catch you in the next tutorial. Make sure you follow me for more shuffling things.